Okay, so
They did.
recording.
She's so beautiful.
Maybe. Maybe if I get the toy and maybe she'll look this way.
You want me to do that?
Yeah, thanks.
What is her name?
Look at the profile.
I'm blanking out. Madonna.
Madonna. I love it. Madonna. Hey, sweetie. Who's that? What the heck?
She's naming her Dazzle Dot Strike a Pose.
Perfect.
So, is there a Madonna song that has the
Strike
Strike a pose. Absolutely.
Yeah, so that's
That's Vogue.